Fear pay Vidal for his rich vocabulary, nor Alberted for his clear enunciation, nor Perdigan for writing a mournful melody, nor Peggy Lamb for his savory songs, nor Arnold Romeo for his boastful singing, nor Fonsalada's bragging about his possessions, nor Pilaudit for his imitations, nor Gal Albert for his graceful fiddling. Well, since I know so much that I needn't fear any of them, in those occupations that you hear me list, it is good ground in my opinion that I write. And then let's talk about something else, a servant is, and that I do so soon and quickly to show them, even though it'll grieve them, that God has given me so much judgment and wisdom that I can teach all the most. Just as the enterprises of the imperial king of Castile are worth more without any lie than any kings that can be chosen in the world, my servant is, which I write, is more natural than any of the troubadours. By God, they are refined, better than gold in the burning fire, and whoever hears it more understands it well. My tongue ever turns to the aching tooth, and my heart turns to those one can enjoy. Such are the wicked barons whom God hates, who have been scrimping on their feudal dues, since none either keeps or wants to follow his path as he should. I blame them for that as much as I can, often in my singing, and this has given me more than 100 enemies. I don't fear at all if some wishes me ill of the evil rich, for I don't like any of them. Nor any can give me virtue, because if one, when being buried, carried 1,000 coins under his bodice, by the faith I owe St. Andrew, it wouldn't bother me, for they are stingy, greedier than jury, and not one of them will after death have clothing worth a farthing, but a pauper's. Then help me God, they'll leave their fortune easily to some they have raised as children, which they believe was theirs, no doubt about it. People in which they have no more part than I do in whoever who will squander it quickly. I don't care one way or the other, for if they host any pilgrim for their soul to find mercy with God, I'll take